I have come here to chew bubblegum and kick ass. And I'm all out of
If the thought ever crossed niggas' minds about doing harm to me, he gon' wake up in the cold sweat like what's wrong with me. I make space for niggas who don't get along with me. Find them at the crossroads like Bone Thugs and Harmony. Pistols in the kitchen, got the subs in the armory. I wasn't raised with manners, you gon' have to pardon me. If the jewels seem disrespectful, get a wrist rude. The carrots in it is ravishing like Rick Rude. I'm a genius, I tell him why I skip school. Fucking math teacher ain't gon' tell me how a brick move. The hallway to Broadway was a quick move. A young nigga chasing paper, I had quick shoes. The kid moves with a cautious step. Been sick, these niggas ain't nauseous yet, but ugly as has situations often get. So I copped a pretty beam for a gorgeous tech. Shit, but the rounds in the mag is some ugly shit. You don't wanna get caught with like an ugly bitch. 38 slims in a pudgy fifth. Yeah, I got biscuits and birds on some pudgy shit. The funny shit is how these niggas keep hating on me. Expect a kid to fall off, keep waiting on me. Got these rat niggas giving information on me, trying to help the D's build investigations on me. Like talking to the cops is cool, till I put them on ice like popsicles. Cause you know I got the proper tools, the Glock, the ooze, a blower's crab ass and the lobster food. Niggas can't trace my steps, rock my shoes. Any ghetto in the world, I can rock my jewels. I park and post up on any block I choose. Throw a half to the strip for every block I move. But I'm no longer working, I'm running the strip. Got it moving like clockwork, how I'm running the shifts. Quiet block full of young niggas running the sniff. And they move by the rules, got them running it swift. Got them taking in 20 a shift. While I'm sitting back, kicking back, taking in 20s a piff. And being broke is the funniest shit. But if I'm the butt of the joke, then I'm gripping on the butt of the fifth, nigga.